Are you tired of the same old productivity tips? Get ready to revolutionize your approach to productivity with unconventional techniques that no one has talked about yet. In this game-changing video, we're diving deep into unexplored territory to uncover the secrets of unparalleled productivity. Buckle up, because your productivity journey is about to take an exciting turn. Ever wished you could conquer your to-do list with ease? Say goodbye to overwhelm and hello to mindful micro-productivity. Imagine breaking down daunting tasks into bite-sized chunks. Just like Sarah, a freelance designer, transformed her productivity game. Get ready to witness the power of incremental progress and learn how to apply it to your daily tasks for extraordinary results. Take a moment to picture your most overwhelming project. Now, imagine breaking it down into small, manageable steps. That's the essence of mindful micro-productivity. Just like assembling a complex puzzle one piece at a time, this technique empowers you to tackle even the most daunting tasks with confidence and clarity. What if you could reclaim control of your time and skyrocket your productivity? Enter the art of time blocking, a game-changing strategy that's about to transform the way you approach your daily schedule. Get ready to craft laser-focused time blocks that supercharge your efficiency and bring unparalleled clarity to your day. Imagine your day as a well-orchestrated symphony with each task getting its dedicated moment in the spotlight. That's the magic of time blocking. Just like a master conductor, you'll learn how to allocate your time strategically, ensuring that every task receives the attention it deserves without the chaos of multitasking. Your surroundings have a profound impact on your productivity. It's time to harness their power. Buckle up as we embark on a journey to transform your workspace into a productivity powerhouse. From decluttering to leveraging ambient elements, get ready to create an environment that fuels your focus, creativity, and inspiration. Think about your workspace as a blank canvas waiting to be transformed into a productivity masterpiece. Just like an artist carefully selects their tools and colors, you'll discover how to curate your environment to amplify your productivity. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your workspace. In a hyper-connected world, intentional disconnection and mindful rest have become rare gems, until now. It's time to embrace the transformative power of digital detox and mindful rest. Picture a day free from digital distractions, allowing you to nurture your well-being and recharge your mental reserves. Get ready to integrate intentional disconnection and restorative activities into your daily routine for a productivity revolution. Imagine a day where your mind is free from the constant buzz of notifications and alerts. Just like a serene retreat, you'll explore the art of intentional disconnection and recharge your mental batteries. From mindfulness practices to restorative activities, you'll discover how to make mindful rest an integral part of your productivity journey. As we conclude this game-changing journey, remember that the key to unlocking your full potential lies in embracing these unconventional strategies with an open mind. By incorporating mindful micro-productivity, time blocking, environmental optimization, and digital detox into your daily life, you'll embark on a productivity revolution like never before. Get ready to unleash your full productivity potential and revolutionize your approach to getting things done. Join the productivity revolution. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your fellow productivity enthusiasts. Your journey to unparalleled productivity starts now.